Today we are watching the video for IT Pitter Trade Theory Semester 4 2019 old question paper language English. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Full title in front of the question paper. So booklet series D. Total marks 150 hours 2 hours. NSQ level 5. Let's come this subject. Question number 1. Why in hydraulic pump the filter is installed in section line? This question answer, prevent foreign matter. Option A correct answer. Question number 2. Name the hoist. This image's name is screw gear hoist. Option D correct answer. Screw gear hoist. Question number 3. What is the purpose of claw hitch knot? Claw hitch knot purpose is secure rope to pipe or post. Option C correct answer. Question number 4. Which wire rope strand are twisted in the opposite direction? This question answer, regular lay rope. Option D correct answer. Question number 5. Name the rope binding method. This image is rope binding method is loop. Option A correct answer, loop. Question number 6. Which is the least efficient but most common type of chain cast available? This question answer, differential cast. Option A correct answer. Question number 7. What is the main advantage of tooth chain drive? Tooth chain drive advantage is provide high speed low torque transmission. This question is provide low high not right low speed and high torque HIGH high torque transmission. This question answer D. Provide low speed and high torque transmission. Question number 8. Which type of tooth washer provide greatest resistance? This question answer, external type. Option C correct answer, external type. Question number 9. What energy is converted in hydraulic air pump? This question answer, mechanical energy to hydraulic energy. Option A correct answer. Question number 10. What is the name of what marked as X? This image is X mark this spot. This spot is name air filter. Option B correct answer, air filter. Question number 11. Which valve in hydraulic and pneumatic system has got two inlet and outlet? This question answer, shuttle valve. Option A correct answer. Question number 12. How the transmission and control of forces motion in obtained in hydraulic system? This question answer, option fluid. D correct answer. Question number 13. What is the name of the crane? This image name is truck mounted crane. Option A correct answer. Question number 14. What material is used as a coating for steam turbine? This question answer, lead coating. D correct answer. Question number 15. What is the name of the foundation fold? This image foundation fold is Raoul fold. Option C correct answer. Question number 16. Name the type of knot used in maintenance. This image knot is square knot. Option A correct answer. Question number 17. What is the name of coating process? This question is figure is not fitting. So this question, common coating process is cement concrete coat. Option C correct answer. What is the name of coating process? Coating process image is not given. So commonly coating process most uses cement concrete coat. Option C correct answer. Question number 18. Name the type of lubrication. This image is ring oiling. Option A correct answer. Ring oiling. Question number 19. What is the ratio of soluble oil added to water to get non-corrosive effect? This question answer 1:20. Option C correct answer. Question number 20. What is the system of lubrication? Lubrication system is, this image is flash feed. Option B correct answer. Question number 21. What is the purpose of using lubricant? So lubricant uses prevent wear. Option A correct answer. Question number 22. Which gear run more silently? Which gear is more silently? Helical gear. Option A correct answer. Question number 23. Name the gear drive. This image gear drive is meter gear. Option A correct answer. Meter gear. Question number 24. How the low speed gear is lubricated? Low speed gear lubricated oil can type R plus. Option A correct answer. Question number 25. How many type of test materials are available for geometrical test? How many type of test material? 2 type of test material. Option C correct answer. Question number 26. Which documentation record used to know batch number, date of allocation, product identity and size of batch? This question is batch record form. Option B correct answer. Question number 27. Name the type of gear mechanism. Rack and pinion. Option D correct answer. Rack and pinion. Question number 28. What is the symbol marked as X? This symbol is monthly. This symbol daily, weekly, monthly. Or X mark symbol monthly. Option D correct answer. Question number 29. What is the property of rivet material used in riveting? Rivet material is ductile. Option A correct answer. Ductile. Question number 30. Why 2 or 4 cold down slot are provided in the base plate of milling fixture? This question answer rigid clamping. For rigid clamping. Option B correct answer. Question number 31. What is the advantage of mass production? Mass production advantage is cost and time to manufacturing reduce. Option A correct answer. Question number 32. Which type of pit system the shaft size is always larger than hole size? This question is indifference pit. Option C correct answer. Question number 33. Which ore is extraction of aluminium? Aluminium extraction is bauxite. Option C correct answer. Bauxite. Question number 34. What is the composition of leaded gunmetal of copper, zinc and tin? This question answer copper 85%, lead 5%, zinc 5%, tin 5%. Option D correct answer. Question number 35. What is the name of metal alloy of lead, tin, copper and antimony? This four non-metal composition is Fabit metal. Option C correct answer. Fabit metal. Question number 36. What is the name of alloy consists copper and zinc? Copper and zinc. This consists of brass. Option A correct answer. What is the part mark? Question number 37. What is the part marked as X? X mark. This is X mark. This pulley is loose pulley. Option A correct answer. This pulley crown pulley. This pulley. Question number 38. Name the belt fastener. This image fastener is alligator type. Option C correct answer. Question number 39. What is the name of elements of gear marked X? X mark. This elements is addendum. Option B correct answer. Addendum. Question number 40. Why the face of pulley is crown in power transmission? Why the face of pulley is crown in power transmission is keep the belt centralized. Option D correct answer. Question number 41. Which power drive will transmit motion at constant velocity without creep and slippage? Without creep and slippage, transmit drive is chain drive. Option A correct answer. Question number 42. Which type of coupling can bring the shaft end into perfect alignment? Coupling perfect alignment is plate coupling. Option B correct answer. Shaft end to the perfect alignment is plate coupling. Question number 43. Which pulley can transmit the power to shaft at different height and at varying distance? This question answer fast and loose pulley. Option B correct answer. Question number 44. Name the type of spring. This image spring is helical tension spring. Option B correct answer. Question number 45. What is the name of jig? This image is box type. This box jig. Option D correct answer. Question number 46. What is the name of radial distance between the pitch circle and the root circle? Pitch circle and root circle radial distance is dedendum. Option D correct answer. C correct answer. Dedendum. Question number 47. Name the type of clutch. This clutch name is air clutch. Option B correct answer. Question number 48. Name the type of belt fastener. This image belt fastener is crescent plate belt fasteners. Option A correct answer. Question number 49. What is the formula to calculate open belting length if centered distance x. This question is d plus t by 2 plus 3 1 by 7 plus 2x. Option A correct answer. Question number 50. Name the type of pulley. This pulley name is flat pulley. Option B correct answer, flat pulley. Dear friends, this question paper is used to all friends. Thanks to all.